Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a 14 by 18 dirty pour with 3 cups. These are 9-ounce cups, and I'll probably fill them to about 6 or 7 ounces each because I'll be placing color where I want it. I've already sprayed the cups with the WD-40 silicone spray. She's not behaving today. Okay. So, the colors that I'm using today, I will tell you as I'm using them because I have a few. And we're going to start with some white. This is Creative Inspirations Titanium White with silicone. Folk Art Yellow Flash on the Color Shift paints. Artist Loft Naples Yellow. Liquitex Deep Violet. Folk Art Purple Flash. This is another Color Shift paint. Premier Purple Red. Artist Loft Grumbacher, Artist Loft Iridescent Medium mixed with Grumbacher Prussian Blue. We'll get another sparkly effect from that. Lucas Steel Blue. Craft Smart Gold. And I want to go back in with the Liquitex Deep Violet. The Folk Art Purple Flash. And the Premier Purple Red. Okay, I'll move all these out of my way. Now, I do want to swirl these just a little bit. Just to marry up those colors a little bit. All right, let's get pouring. Love that. Kind of almost rainbowy. So when you're placing your color, I always look to see where I like areas that went with the first cup and try to lay that next to areas that are just kind of just to give it a little more color. Now the only reason I put the steel blue in there was for contrast. The iridescent blue was there for a reason. Okay. Let me give that a quick torch. And we're going to start tilting. I like to get everything together before I start pouring anything off, just so I can see where everything's going. It's so nice and warm down here in North Carolina. this week. Probably when you're watching this, it'll be next week when it's cold again. But I just had that springy feel today because it's 75. And I think I'm going to leave it right there. Got a lot of colors coming up through each other, so I want to make sure that I don't move them too much. All right. Let's torch it and see what happens. Going first for air bubbles, and then we'll go for cells. Now these are going to dry so much darker, and the contrast will show up when it's dry. And I will show this on request in the Courage Posse group. And if you haven't joined our Courage Posse yet, that link's below. You get to see some great artwork in there. We have a lot of talented artists in that group. And a lot of new ones that are coming up and starting channels, and we're very supportive of other artists there. I'm kind of digging that. I think when that dark purple dries with that purple red and the flashes show up, the iridescence will all show up. It'll be very pretty. I wasn't liking that line, but I am now. So this is going to be all iridescent too. I'm really hoping the purple will start to bleed through there. Let me give you a close-up so you can see it a little bit better. That corner is very interesting with all the different colors. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell so you'll get notified when we upload the next videos. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook. Check out my art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. If you're new to paint pouring and you need supplies, or if you need to replenish supplies, we have everything available in our Amazon shop. That link is below. If you're interested in purchasing paintings, we have them in our Etsy shop. That link is below as well. Want to send us a gadget to play with? Our post office box is down below. If you want to support the channel, that link is there for PayPal as well. And if you're a member of a Courage Posse and you haven't gotten a sweatshirt or a coffee cup yet, all that is in the banner right below the video. Click on one of those and it'll take you into Teespring, and you can get yourself a fun little thing to wear or to drink out of, or your cell phone cases, or whatever you're interested in getting. And we have a new auction coming up, probably the first weekend in March. I will give you more information on that, but just giving you a heads up. We have lots of paintings available again. So, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.